I'll guide you through the steps to highlight words in PowerPoint, utilizing the Text Highlight Color feature. Navigate to the Home tab and select the arrow next to Text Highlight Color, then choose your preferred shade. The selected color becomes visible on the button, transforming the mouse pointer into a highlight marker when hovered over the text. Click and drag over the text we wish to underline with color. If it's time to stop highlighting, simply select Stop Highlighting from the same menu or tap the ESC key. Inserting a text box and applying the Shape Fill tool, as well as utilizing custom animations. In the Insert tab, click Text Box and place it in the slide. Then, the Shape Fill tool, found under the Shape Format tab, allows us to give the text box a vibrant back color, giving a highlighter streak. In using animations, start by selecting the text, moving to the Animations tab, and choosing brush color in the Emphasize section. This option paints a new shade across the text, letter by letter. After applying animation, go to the Effect options to select the colors and refine the animation specifics to your liking. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.